Hi my friends, today we model this object of art made by the Romanian sculptor Constantin Brancusi. The drawing is here. The name of the sculpture is the Endless Column, in Romanian coloana fără sfârșit, which is placed in Târgu Jiu, a town in Romania. It was made in 1938. Dimensions are here. We'll discuss about them. But now I want to show you the author of this art object, Constantin Brancusi, which is a beginner in modern art. This is the column placed in a park of the town Târgu Jiu. You see, it seems to be endless. This is how it was created by workers in metal, finished in 1938. Another masterpiece of Brancusi is the Gate of the Kiss. Gate of the Kiss is in the back. Alley of chairs is this alley, and this is the table of silence with 12 chairs around. You can see that this seems to be a clepsydra as well as the column. All these masterpieces are placed in Târgu Jiu on a single line. Here is the column. Here is an Orthodox church. It was the motive for Brancusi to create these sculptures. The Kiss Gate, the Chairs Alley, and at the river Jiu is the Table of Silence. You can try to make a travel plan in Romania, especially since the prices are very low. You will see, to visit all these works, artworks of Brancusi in their original places. His other works are exhibited in famous museums in New York, the Museum Guggenheim, in Philadelphia, Museum of Art, in Paris, and of course Romania. Before moving on to modeling the column, please watch a short clip. It is a sequence from the film named Film Prezentare Gorj by Radu Tora, which you can find on YouTube under this name.
The Romanian Constantin Brancusi from Gorj, considered the father of modern sculpture, gave Târgu Jiu an invaluable creation. A symbol of the victorious passing through the gate of life, the Kiss Gate seems a passing gateway toward another realm. The motif of the union between man and woman was polished by Brancusi into essence to the idea of kiss. There are 12 clepsydras at the silence gate, 12 stools, one for each hour of the day or night, one for each apostle, and in the middle a round table, perfect, brought from the ancient world of the Romanian village. The endless column is a world axis, meant to support the celestial dome forever, to elevate the spirit, to enter eternity. Brancusi said, "Go, cuddle the infinity column with wide open palms. Then, raising your eyes, look at it, and you will thus know the essence of the sky." Probably the best known creation of Brancusi, the endless column, is considered to be the top of modern art and also the artistic symbol of Romania. Admiration for his genius and the desire to know his origins guide many tourists to Holbița, the native village of the man who made Romania known all over the world. Brancusi Memorial House shelters interesting aspects of the village life in Gorj, the art of working wood, which is representative of the craft of carving, traditional beams and pillars in Gorj, which Brancusi based his creation upon.
Now let's start with modeling. We start by creating this bottom pedestal, which has dimensions of 900 on 900 on 550. We start by creating a sketch and a plane XY, rectangle, with its center point on the center point of the work. This is 550, this is 900, finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical, also 900, and we have the first feature. We select here from Autodesk Material Library the material stone. Stone is right here. Stucco. Stone is not so appropriate, but this seems to be like the material of the column. We create a new sketch in the same plane. We project this face, and now we apply these dimensions: 900, 450, and here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other dimensions placed at other heights. We use this, so let's place points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we project as center line the axis Y. You see the center line here. Then dimensions. This is 156, then 311, then 463, then 612, then 758, and the last is 900, because this is an important dimension all over. Then we place distances from the center (8, 5, 4). Let me see, where is this? Then 7, 9, 6. 726, six, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 553, and half of 900, which is 450. That's all, fully constrained sketch. Then we use spline interpolation to connect all these points. You'll see that Brancusi had a continuous nice curve here because he used a spline, of course, from wood. Then another line, horizontal, mirror this spline about the axis, apply. Now I selected a point, Ctrl Z, mirror this spline about this sketch, and then extend the dimension. Finished sketch. Now we have a close contour. We apply extrude symmetrical on 900, exactly as it was before, but be careful, we create a new solid. You'll see why immediately. We select the two halves and we have the next volume. You see we have two solids here, and I want to emphasize this aspect by applying red color. Good. We create an work plane based on this edge and this edge diagonal placed. Why? Because we want to apply mirror as solids, not as feature. We select the solid, this is the solid, and we select the mirror plane. You see, I selected here new solid, not combining with the previous one, the red one. Okay, now we combine the two by selecting firstly the red one and the second the yellow white stucco one. But we are very careful not to join, not to cut, but to intersect the two bodies. Okay. You see that we have now the first module, half of the modules which will be created. We apply again mirror of the second solid, again as a solid, but now with join, not a new solid. We select this one and the mirror plane, which is this. You see now what I talk about. Now we have two solids. The first one is the basement, or the postament, and this is a module. A module is clepsydra, not egg. Okay, you see, we have to multiply this clepsydra in 16 instances. Nothing simpler. We apply rectangular pattern, we select the direction, we select the feature. We select the object, my friends. This is the object. And with join, direction is this one, but the other orientation. The number is 16, and the module is twice of 90. 90 multiplied by 2, 900, not 90. Okay, now we have the full column. We combine by selecting firstly the bottom body or base body, and then the other modules, so that we have the column. It is, as you saw before, Brancusi made this column not from stucco, from stone of any kind, but from metal. And at the end of the installation, the column was covered in 1938 with brass, using a Swiss procedure of the time. Let me apply this kind of cover, brass, soft yellow, and now we have the final aspect of the column. You can eliminate edges to have the sensation of the real column. Go to Târgu Jiu. Put your hand on this art object and you will feel better, because you see here the infinite. That's all for today. Thank you, my friends, for watching. Bye bye.